is some serendipity or luck. I mean, I definitely didn't go into the PhD saying that I want to end up at Landmark. I was thinking when I went into the PhD that I knew that I wanted to stay researching private equity. I wanted to stay researching finance. I didn't know if I wanted to do that by staying in academia, by going to academia, or if I wanted to do something in practice that relates to that. One of the things that led me to decide to do it in practice rather than academia. I mean, you are correct. I think people are paid more in the investment side than in the academic side, though. Academics who do things like this, I don't think they're paid that badly.
Sure.
But the compensation is presumably greater here. But it was more that I wanted to have that academic background. I wanted to have the quant chops. I wanted to do the research, but I still wanted to have a meaningful, practical impact. And in academia, oftentimes, at least in my experience, people are more interested in the theory. They're more interested in where the literature goes, and they're less immediately interested in the practical takeaways.